Start recording.
What?
Okay, I'm gonna get the game. Where's the game? I guess it's over here. You're on video, just kinda chilling there.
For me?
Yeah. By the way, I hope you noticed we're gonna upload to YouTube first.
And then Facebook?
Yeah. This is just gonna sit in here for a minute.
Lily, you're gonna have to move. Look, Daddy. Everyone's on my butt, dang it.
Okay.
Oh gosh. Go, Fatty. Move. There we go. This video. There we go. Gotta get warmed up. Ew! I can't do that. Makes my tummy hurt. Are you over your weight and coat? Yeah, we're doing that. You're gonna get a hot spot. Well, guess what? This is wider than mine. It's dirty.
I know this one's been on for a long time.
We need to get the new one because it's like groovy.
Groovy? Alright, you guys should run over it. You guys are still commenting on that status. Which one do you want to do?
I don't care.
In that airplane, the night sky like shooting stars. I could really use a wish right now, wish right now, wish right now. So we just in that airplane, the night sky like shooting stars. I could really use a wish right now, wish right now, wish right now.
Yeah, I could use a dream or a genie or a wish to go back to a place much simpler than this. Cause after all the party and the smashing and crashing, and all the glitz and the glam and the passion, and all the pandemonium and all the madness, there comes a time when you fade to the blackness. And when you're staring at that phone in your lap, and you hoping but some people never call you back. But that's just how the story unfolds. You get another hand soon after you fold. And when your plans unravel in the sand, what would you wish for if you had one chance? So airplane, sorry I'm late. I'm on my way, so don't close that gate. If I don't make that, then I switch my flight and I'll be right back at it by the years of the
Airplanes in the night sky like shooting stars. I can really use a wish right now, wish right now, wish right now. Can we pretend that airplanes in the night sky like shooting stars? I can really use a wish right now, wish right now, wish right now.
Yeah, somebody thank me back to the name. Before it was a job, before I got paid, before it ever mattered what I had in my bank. Yeah, back when I was trying to get it to that subway, and back when I was rapping for the elephant. But nowadays we rapping to stay relevant. I'm guessing that if we can make some wishes out of airplanes, then maybe, oh maybe I go back to the days before the politics that we call the rap game. And back when ain't nobody listen to my mixtape. And back before I tried to cover up my slang. But this is motivator, what's up by the rate. So can I get a wish to end the politics and get back to the music that started this? So here I stand and then again I say, I'm hoping we can make some wishes out of airplanes.
Can we pretend that airplanes in the night sky like shooting stars? I can really use a wish right now, wish right now, wish right now. Can we pretend that airplanes in the night sky like shooting stars? I can really use a wish right now, wish right now, wish right now.
I could really use a wish right now. A wish right now.